Hi guys, and welcome back to the VeryMuchTech channel. Smaller in size but a true gladiator in the gaming coliseum, a compact mechanical keyboard delivers both performance and style in one sleek package. Whether you're battling in competitive arenas or just saving space on your desk, these keyboards don't compromise. In this video, we're checking out the best compact mechanical keyboards for serious gamers and professionals alike. All the keyboards featured are linked in the description below, so let's get started. Number 1. Razer Huntsman V3 Pro TKL Esports Gaming Keyboard. The Razer Huntsman V3 Pro TKL Esports Gaming Keyboard is an ideal choice for competitive gamers, particularly those focused on first-person shooters, FPS. Featuring Gen 2 analog optical switches with an adjustable actuation range, it offers exceptional speed and precision. Key highlights include Razer Snap Tap for dual-key inputs and Rapid Trigger for immediate response. Its tankless design and durable double-shot PBT keycaps enhance the user experience. With a 4.2-star rating, it excels in performance but has received mixed reviews regarding sensitivity and customer support. Nonetheless, it remains a top contender for esports enthusiasts seeking advanced gaming features. Number 2. ASUS ROG Azoth Wireless Custom Gaming Keyboard. Designed with gamers in mind, the ASUS ROG Azoth Wireless Custom Gaming Keyboard stands out with its innovative tri-mode connectivity, allowing seamless shifts between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz RF, and wired connections. This compact 75% keyboard features a 2-inch OLED display for settings and media visualizations, alongside hot-swappable ROG NX Red switches that enhance keystroke feel. Its gasket mount design, coupled with 3-layer dampening, guarantees a silent typing experience. Weighing 2.58 pounds and powered by a rechargeable battery, the keyboard offers over 2,000 hours of gameplay with RGB and OLED off, making it an ideal choice for serious gamers. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. Crafted for gamers seeking performance and portability, the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard excels with its fast Razer optical switches. This compact keyboard features a 60% layout, making it ideal for limited desk space without sacrificing functionality. With clicky feedback and a rapid trigger mode, it enhances the gaming experience, especially in FPS titles. The sturdy aluminum frame and durable PBT keycaps guarantee longevity, while customizable chroma RGB lighting allows users to personalize their setup. With a 4.7-star rating, it has garnered positive feedback for its speed and aesthetic appeal, making it a top choice among compact keyboards. Number 4. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Equipped with Razer's yellow mechanical switches, the BlackWidow V4 Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard caters to gamers seeking a silent yet responsive typing experience. This keyboard features double-shot ABS keycaps, customizable chroma RGB lighting, and a command dial for enhanced functionality. Weighing 3.61 pounds and measuring 18.36 6.01 is 1.73 inches, it also includes a plush magnetic wrist rest for comfort during long gaming sessions. Despite its popularity, users have reported quality control issues and software malfunctions. Overall, it remains a top choice for gamers looking for performance and aesthetics in their keyboard setup. Number 5. Keychron Q1 HE Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard. The Keychron Q1 HE Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard stands out as an ideal choice for gamers and typists seeking a compact yet powerful keyboard experience due to its innovative Hall effect Gateron 2.0 magnetic switches. This 75% layout keyboard supports various connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.1 and a wired connection, ensuring versatility. With a polling rate of 1000 Hz, it delivers rapid response times, while the 4000 mAh battery provides up to 100 hours of use. Its durable 6063 aluminum construction and customizable RGB lighting enhance both aesthetics and performance, garnering a perfect customer rating for its exceptional features and build quality. Number 6. Keychron Q5 Pro Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard. Designed for both casual users and professionals, the Keychron Q5 Pro Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard stands out with its customizable 96% layout and robust aluminum construction. Featuring a programmable knob and double gasket design, this keyboard guarantees a comfortable typing experience. Users benefit from hot-swappable K-Pro Brown switches and compatibility with Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. The Q5 Pro supports wireless connectivity for up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1 and boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate in wired mode. While it delivers a premium typing feel, some users note a preference for sound and feedback compared to other Keychron models. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech picks. See you in the next one.